shapes under the hammer. Metal softened with heat and then work between the hammer and the anvil to create the shape. If you work with the metal while it's hot, as we do, then there's a certain amount of tension, you might say. You got to work quickly. The metal doesn't hold the heat for very long. Maybe you use the term strike while the iron's hot. It's used in the modern day metaphor for acting quickly while you have the opportunity, while the opportunity exists, because the opportunity will pass. What comes from this business, you see there are cycles to the work. You heat the metal up while you're working on it, it cools off relatively quickly. So you got to work quickly while you have the opportunity, and catch your breath when the piece is reheating. Yes?
What's that?
That's called a bellows. A bellows is an air pump. So she's blowing air into the fire. That makes the fire hotter. It takes very, very high temperatures to work with iron and steel. But when you see that bar come out of the fire, how do you know that it's hot?
It'll be red.
Yeah.
It's kind of orange.
Okay, yeah, you'll see different colors, red, orange, yellow, might even see white. Each of those is a different temperature. So we don't have a thermometer that reads Fahrenheit degrees, but we do know that red hot is about 1,000 degrees. We continue heating that up to orange and then yellow and white. White hot is about 2,700 degrees.
That's gonna be hot.
So while it's that hot, the metal is soft and we can work it under the hammer. You see it changing shape under the hammer?
Yeah.
We don't really have to know the degrees Fahrenheit. What we need to know is what the properties of the metal are at various temperatures. We judge that just by color. And think about this. If you were a new apprentice in a shop like this, and I was giving you instructions and I told you, heat that up to 1,750 degrees, you don't really have a way to measure that, right? But if I told you, heat that up until it's orange, yeah, most of you could get that pretty quickly. Why do you suppose she just did that?
To heat it up.
Cool it off. As you put it in the water there to cool off the end that she's holding. Iron's not a very good conductor, but over time, the heat from the end, that 2,500 degrees, gradually works down the length of the end you're holding. So she doesn't have super heat-resistant hands. Her hands have the same sort of sensitivity to heat that your hands have. So when she feels the end that she's holding start to warm up, you can quench that water that takes the heat out of it. She left the hot end hot, but she was cooling off the end she's got to hold. You have a question?
What's she making?
She's working on a spatula for cooking. You know, if you cook in the kitchen and flip things over, if you cook eggs or pancakes, you might use a spatula like that.
What's your favorite thing to make?
What's our favorite thing to make? I think the people that work in this shop are all here because we like to work with iron. We like a lot of different things. We just like the process of shaping things out of iron. And you like, I really like making something and then seeing it in use, seeing it doing its job. So for example, you all go to the Powder magazine here. The magazine is in the middle of town. If you look on the top of the magazine, there's a weather vane there. I made the weather vane.